Climate activist Sonam Wangchuk on June 28 has joined the ongoing protest at Jantar Mantar, beginning an indefinite hunger strike over alleged irregularities in examinations and demands for accountability in the education system. Before starting the fast, Wangchuk and Cockroach Janata Party founder Abhijit Dipke paid tributes to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat. Hundreds of students, youth and several farmer leaders later gathered at the protest site in support of the agitation. Wangchuk said he was not undertaking the hunger strike happily, but was forced to do so. Explaining his decision, he said education had been his life's work for nearly 40 years and that he could not remain silent when young people raised concerns about the education system. He said peaceful protest was the only democratic option when accountability was missing. The protest saw participation from Sarv Khap Panchayat representatives and the family of Amaira, a class 6 student from Jaipur who sought justice over her death. Protest organizers also alleged that several farmer leaders from Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh were stopped from travelling to Delhi. The protest, which began on June 20th, continues to demand action over alleged examination irregularities, including NEET, and seeks the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan.